Hello everyone, welcome to From Classroom to Board Forum. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log in, change your profile, reply post, and create a new topic. Right now, I'm on the forum website. Use your username and password to log in. Session length choose forever, click login. After you successfully log in, on the top you will see the navigation area. Put the cursor on the third one, profile. Here you can change your profile. Click account setting. Username, email, password. Click change profile. Click OK. Now your profile has been changed. Now I want to reply post. Go back to home page. Under my courses, click one of my class, math. In the math class, Teacher John has set up the week 1 topic. Click week 1 topic. The question for week 1 is, what is infinity? Click reply on the right corner, first icon. Type your answer here. Now I'm done. Click post. Let's go check. Now my reply is here. Now I want to create a new topic in another class. Go back to home page. Click my science class. Click the first icon, new topic, on the right corner. Add subject. Tab topic. Click post. Let's go check. Here, my new topic. I create a new topic. Now I have started to discuss with my classmates. Thank you.